Congratulations that you made it to this page. Right now you are searching for making money online, and maybe you might be very overwhelming that there are too much information and there are too many different ways of making money online. And obviously, a lot of you guys are already dreaming about making full-time income working from home and get financial freedom and time freedom and location freedom, that you're gonna be able to make more than enough money that you really need, that you're gonna be able to not worrying about your financial situation anymore. And it gives you the freedom that you're gonna be able to travel all around the world and have this laptop lifestyle that you are dreaming of. That's where I started as well a couple of years ago, and I literally tried so many different things. And I want to share today this dream come true business model, because there's nothing that you can really find that you gonna be able to make it almost zero risks with the business about that you are about to give it a try, because everything requires for you to actually spend the money first. Whether it's small amount of money, whether it's bigger amount of money, it does make you to spend them. And also on the way, you're gonna continue spending, hoping that you will be able to get it. But as in the procedure that you are optimizing the whole thing, you're gonna realize that, oh, it's not that easy. And as you are investing more of your time and more of your effort and more of your money, you realize that it's not small amount of money that you already have invested. Maybe some of you already purchased somebody's course, and maybe some you already have tried to hire as your mentor, and who's gonna be be able to help you and walking you through. But if you're able to make it successful, great, congratulations. But many of you, I'm sure you're watching this video because you are still struggling, you are still having problem, and you did not find your answer yet. Yes, I guarantee that now you found your answer. On this page that I'm gonna be able to walk you through step by step, these videos that you're about to watch will change your life. I have laid out this free mentoring coaching information step by step. I have broken down into different information that I'm sharing with you. First step that I'm gonna show you that it's not a risky business model at all. That you don't have to make an investment unless you confirm, and also you never have to do any paid ads. And also I will give you full understanding of every different business model that is available selling online. So I will come to the conclusion that what is the best way selling online, and also another video that I'm gonna demonstrate what I talk about with everything step by step, utilizing my strategy and tools and skills that I utilize to make my 7-figure income. Welcome to this page. I'm gonna be walking you through step by step. Please watch every single one of these videos on this page. It will change your life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.